Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I'll show you how to DIY Christmas alphabet ornaments with cardboard. It is quick and easy to do and turns out so beautiful. Supplies required are a thinner cardboard, super bulky yarn, a jute or a ribbon, and hot glue gun. First, print out your alphabets. The alphabets used here are from freepage.com. If you can freehand write your alphabets, then you don't need to print out your alphabet. But just make sure that the edges are not rounded. Second, cut out your alphabets and outline it onto your cardboard. Third, this time cut out your alphabets with your cardboard. Fourth, make your hanging loop with your jute or ribbon. Here I realized that a video footage of me making the hanging loop and wrapping of the cardboard yarn wasn't recorded at all. I'm so bummed about it, but it is pretty simple to do. Position your hanging loop in the center and wrap your alphabet with the yarn from the bottom to the top. The first couple of rows of yarn requires extra care while wrapping it to ensure that they are aligned and hot glued onto the cardboard. Similarly, when you reach the edge, you want to make sure that it looks pretty. Where there are gaps in between, you can cover it up with your yarn. Voila, here is your DIY Christmas alphabet ornaments with cardboard. It truly is quick and easy to do, and without a doubt, it looks so charming. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch my video on easy Dollar Tree DIY Christmas present decor using cooling rags. You will be glad that you did. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, I will see you in my next one. Bye bye and take care.